Okay, off to the next location. Yeah, okay.
Let's see what this is looking like.
Yeah. So it's the second floor.
It's getting a little dark.
Okay,
There we go.
So the beautiful thing with commercial, like all different kinds of units, not like residential. Residential is kind of like a house that you're thinking of living in. With commercial, you know, you have large places, small places, like, you know, you have industrial, retail, office, you know, like space, like there's different types of spaces, right? So we're gonna go to the realtor, his brokerage right now. He's gonna give us a tour of location.
So this is where the units will be in, like that we're looking at?
Yes. So he said he's finishing up a meeting, but we could kind of come in here. So here we are, EXP. Oh, nice office to get going.
Oh, it's like a share space in here.
Hi,
Hi,
Robert.
how are you?
Rob's just in a meeting.
Okay,
You guys
good.
can hang out here.
Okay,
No problem.
thank you.
Thank you.
Space. Boardroom. See, so even something like this, it was.
Hustle is a
talk about
verb,
it.
the only controllable pillar of success. Grind. To perform a repetitive task over and over again in order to attain a goal. I love that. This looks like a place my mom would decorate.
Okay.
All right.
Doing some videos?
I got recordings
nice,
going on
let's go, let's
YouTube,
go.
you know, say hello. to
All
YouTube.
right. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Here, I'm gonna give you this mic, man, so we can get a nice tour. Yeah.
are you serious?
You don't want to feature on the channel?
I'm on board.
Okay, good stuff. You'll give the best tour, right?
All right, welcome. So this is actually our real estate office. We have about 20 offices and about 400 agents that are at the brokerage.
okay.
So this is something that we were working in, and I'll just show you our. Now that you asked me to do the tour. So we have our training area. So we do host like once a week some training.
Okay.
And that's Josh in the operations side. He works in the Shoreview team. So I'll show you the rest.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Didn't know we were going to be doing this.
This is a new era, you know?
I love it. So on the second floor, there's some accounting offices. We have a law office and Twin Rivers Investments are like an investment firm
Right.
and they're also a builder.
Okay.
Okay, but the space I have is upstairs.
I'm excited to see this unit.
Yeah, so the first one,
How was
actually,
it?
you
How
guys,
was it?
you talk about it.
You tell us about
Yes.
it.
Okay, so the first one was a CD. I think you saw the CD in record.
It's my listing.
That's
Yeah,
your listing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to work for
Okay.
what I'm looking to
So
achieve
let
out
me
of this
just
space.
Okay, let me just show you around
Okay.
who else is in there so you can get an idea.
Okay.
So Kumon has that set area. This is Cooperators Insurance. So they have, they actually expanded. They took on that other space as well.
okay.
So they have their offices up there just to see, you know, kind of who the neighbors would be and what they're doing. Dear Vincent is like a higher end artist. He's a tattoo artist. Okay. I don't know what you do, and that's why these are the washrooms here.
So I'm
Pilates
looking
joint.
for like a fitness studio.
That's what Richard was saying. So
Yeah.
Pilates joint is more of like a Pilates. They do that there, and then Lighthouse is a photography
So
studio.
what type of equipment do they have in there? Is it like a, let me show you. I'm just showing like this.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Okay. I can't remember exactly. I've been
Okay.
there a couple times. I'll show you this space here.
So there's no exclusivity though, right?
No exclusivity.
Okay.
And I think everybody has their own clientele. So
Exactly.
Kumon, like they only get really busy after school. And
Oh, this is a lot more spacious. Wow. Yeah, no, this is really, hold on, let me record this one.
yeah, so
Why didn't we see this one first?
Sorry.
I was talking to Richard, sorry. We should have came here first.
We need to save the best for last, you know, right?
Yeah.
Like, well, that's why Richard mentioned the other one to you, and I was like, this would I think it would work. We had some dance studios and some other people that were inquiring about it, but
Okay.
yeah.
And what about equipment? Is there any limitations on what type of equipment?
I guess
you need
whatever
here?
you can get in the elevator, and then there's 2 staircases.
So those are the elevators that I would have access to?
You would have
Okay.
the access. There's 1 elevator, and then there's 2 staircases, so you
Okay.
could do that.
Okay.
Other than that, if there was something, there might be a way to get access through one of these windows. We've had people crane things in, but that gets costly.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Very spacious in here. And the washrooms?
So they're shared washrooms, so it's not like affecting your unit and your square footage.
Okay.
The washroom. I'm just trying to find out which one it is. I believe
Is it this one here?
this one. I know Kumon has it. I don't know if anybody else is. This one's that one. Yeah, because there was a few that. So I believe this one would be available, like as a shared, and then this
Yeah.
one here.
Oh.
Is it open?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So that's one of them.
Right.
And then there is another one on the other side.
Sorry, keep going. And another one on the other side?
Yeah, yeah. So I believe this one is available as well, is in use, but there's one more.
Okay.
No, it's in use.
No, it's in
That's it. And then those are the staircases on the side.
Stairs. So take the stairs if you want. Instead of
Yeah, okay.
this is the 2nd floor, right?
Yeah, we were on the 2nd floor from my office. So this is the 3rd.
This
You're on
is
the
the third.
You're on the 3rd right
Going
now.
up. Yeah.
3.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you so much.
No problem.
No, it's appreciate you, Robert.
Sorry, what was your name again?
Robert.
Robert, nice to
Okay.
meet you.
And your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay.
You guys are pro, man. Yeah, man. I will tag you. I'll send you the link.
Okay.
Yeah.
As soon as you put it enter from this side.
Okay.
Oh, and there's a lot of parking, looks like.
Yeah, but there's not. I don't have any available for.
Oh, they're all assigned.
assigned.
Oh,
Side.
okay.
Okay.
If
Okay.
something comes up, I can let you know if you're interested. But
Okay.
First, talk to Richard. And
Yeah. So right now it's just the street parking, right?
Yeah, like for the most, for yourself, if you wanted to park at the end of like by the train tracks.
Right.
There's actually free parking.
Okay.
And that's a green key parking.
Okay.
So when the law was getting paved, we were using that, and,
Right.
and it was fine.
Okay.
Like I always found parking there.
Okay.
There's also a lot, couple blocks over where the LCBO is. So that one is green key is free.
Okay. Okay, that's good to
But for
know.
your clients, they're probably going to use meter parking.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
All right. Thanks, Robert. Appreciate your
Thank
time.
you so
man.
much.
Have a good day. We'll be in touch, all
Take
right?
care.
Yeah, man. I got you, man. For sure. I got you.
So this unit was way better than the first one. It was a lot more spacious, I should say. I like the fact that it had open windows. It gave that vibe that you were like downtown, but you're really not. You're in Mississauga Lakeshore area. The things that's the pros. The things I'm a little bit worried about though is the elevator. Elevator's a little bit small, so if I wanted to bring like heavier equipment up, I'm just worried about that. And then
Parking, probably.
parking was another con. My clients, if they do come to the studio, they'll have to pay for parking. Yeah, so that's my pros and my cons right now. And then I have to take a look at what this one's being leased at to see if it's
I think
within my budget.
I think it's 3,200.
3,200. Okay. All right. Obviously, this one is the top of the list compared to the first one that we saw.
I think it had that vibe. It had that.
It had a nice
Pilates
vibe to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I could see Pilates going on, you know.
Yeah, and strength training and stuff. So I think I just need to sit and just deliberate and think about what I'm actually looking to achieve with this space.
Yeah. And this is our first time out. So again, if there's other spots, I'll make sure I let you know about.
Yeah.
You know, but if it fits, you know, then
for sure.
make it happen for sure.
For sure.
Okay.
All right,
okay,
thanks,
Rochelle,
Richard.
thank you
I'm
so
gonna
much.
head
I
out.
appreciate-
How are we
appreciate
ending this
it. Okay.
episode?
It's good. This is real life. This is real life. You know. Yeah. So.
All right, so I want to say thanks to Richard for taking me in the Mississauga Lakeshore area to try to find a fitness studio. Until the next episode.